So for episode number 4, we're going to be taking the McDonald's hash browns. We're gonna make it keto, so let's get started. So the first thing we need is cauliflower. Now, don't you dare leave because I'm using cauliflower. Believe me, it's gonna be good, so stay here. So now you need about 40 to 42 grams of cauliflower. Since my cauliflower is frozen, I'm gonna put it in a microwave for 30 seconds. So once you take it out of the microwave, throw away the remaining of the water. So your cauliflower does not have to be dry after this, okay? So now just chop it. If you wanna chop it very finely, sure you leave at least some little chunks around. So let's go ahead and make the batter. So you need 1 tablespoon of almond flour. You need half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Then you need your seasonings. So here I'm using 1/4 a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper, and then a pinch of salt, 1/4 a teaspoon of baking powder, okay? So go ahead and mix everything together, all the ingredients to the cauliflower. So now mix it, and then if you see that it's too dry, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of water. Now keep mixing it until it looks like mashed potatoes, literally. Now we need parchment paper. So you're gonna go ahead and take a small parchment paper, fold it in half, put it on top of the cutting board, and then add the mixture. And then here, okay, here's where you go and shape it. So you're gonna shape it into a rectangle. So you're gonna go ahead and shape it into a rectangle. You can try to do it oval, just like the one from McDonald's, but I decided not to do that because I'm not an artist, so it's okay. Now place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then once you take it out, look how nice it looks. It does not bend over, doesn't break easily. So let's go to the stove and fry it. So here I'm using olive oil, a medium-high heat. Now make sure you cook each side until it's golden brown. Now I do have to say, cooking cauliflower, it does burn quick, so you need to make sure you keep an eye on it, because believe me, it happened to me. So yeah guys, and that is it. So here's my small little review. Okay guys, I'm currently in my room because my kitchen is not quiet at all. So I'm gonna try the keto cauliflower hash brown. Super delicious, but I'm gonna try it for you guys right now. Listen to this. So even though I hate eating cauliflowers, this is amazing. So even if you don't like cauliflower, try out this recipe. It's really, really good. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm so close to 2,000. I can't believe it. Like this video, share with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.